Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Google Safe Search on mobile. So first, open your Google Chrome and search on the search box right here, google.com, and you will find this homepage. And then the next one, going to tap these three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then here at the bottom, tap this help and feedback. And then here you will find this option. Then you'll just tap this search help box right there. So tap this one so we can search the word safe search right here. So we will type safe search, then tap on search, and you'll find filter explicit result using safe search. So tap that first one. Scroll down and you will find mobile browser. Then tap on that drop down menu and then go to Safe Search settings right there, which is highlighted in blue. And you can go right here on Safe Search. Now, if you turn this on, when Safe Search is on, it helps hide explicit content on search. Now, if you turn this off, you'll see the most relevant results for your search, which may include explicit content like images of violence. So that's how you basically turn off this Google Safe Search. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.